name is Dr. Birch. I'm a chiropractor at Cambridge Chiropractic Health Center here in Cambridge, Ohio. This is a video of me adjusting a 4-week-old baby. He's my son, Finn. Before we show the video, I wanted to go over some questions you might have. Now, the first question is, do all babies need adjusted? And the answer is no, not necessarily. Do all babies need a chiropractic checkup? The answer is yes. So the big question is, why do babies need checked for misalignments? And the answer is pretty simple. Babies have a spine and nerve system just like everybody else, and their spine can become misaligned and negatively impact the function of their nerve system and entire body. Did you miss it? Adjusting a baby is very different compared to adjusting an adult. It takes very gentle pressure, not much more than you would put on the lid of your eye. If you go back and take a look, I adjusted a segment in his upper back, and you can see where I stopped to hold just a little bit of pressure. And then I also adjusted a misalignment in his neck. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the box below. So until next time, this is Dr. Birch saying, live well, get adjusted, and be sure to bring your kids for chiropractic checks too.